Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a watch unboxing and it is from Filippo Loreti, and you guys have seen maybe my Insta content or my Insta reels which I filmed like a couple of weeks ago now. It's up on my Instagram right now, definitely go and check it out. I obviously showed you guys how I would style the watch, but today's video I just wanted to do like a unboxing again and just like a mini review regarding the watch. While I unbox this, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit regarding the brand if you guys are not familiar with the brand. So Filippo Loreti is an Italian brand, a beautiful Italian brand. They specialize in beautiful craftsmanship watches, and this is now the second time I've been working with the brand. By the way, this video is not sponsored or it's not an ad, however the Insta was, so this is just a video I wanted to film on my own. So I'm very excited to work with the brand once again for the second time in the year, and thank you so much to the brand, and I love and I adore the brand so much. Honestly, the watches are so beautifully made, and the whole packaging, the whole aesthetics of the watches are so nice. You guys can see how beautiful it is presented in a nice box. And the watch I have been chosen is called the Ascari watch, and it is the Ascari Indigo Rose Gold Rubber watch, and it's this beautiful nearly dropped it. This is clumsy me and real. You guys have seen it, but don't worry, I got carpet in here, so it's all good. This is the beautiful watch. Look how amazing this looks. I am in love with the rose gold and this kind of blue, indigo blue color. It looks so luxe, so premium, and so lovely. I am in love basically with this watch. It's so nice. Let me just take it off for you guys. You guys can see. This is how it looks like, and I love it. I just love the rubber strap. It looks so nice. It's so comfortable on your wrist, and also the numbers in here are so beautifully made and so kind of premium. It looks so lovely. And regarding this watch, basically it's got the integrated rubber strap, it's got chronograph hand, it's a water resistant up to 100 meters, it's luminous hand and indexes, it's got the chronograph reset pusher, it's got an AM and PM indicator, and also got a chronograph pusher on the sides as well as the here. So it's very nicely made. The material is stainless steel, it's rubber, the strap is rubber basically, and the glass is the sapphire coated mineral glass. The case diameter is 42 millimeters and the case thickness is 11.9 millimeters, and it's just beautifully made basically. I am so in love with this watch, and by looking at my reels you guys have seen I've teamed it up with some leather like jacket with a shirt and a nice pair of trousers and loafers. This watch could be so versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down. It's amazing for office wear if you want to wear it at the office. This is also really nice, or if you want to wear it to day-to-day days, like if you want to run errands and do some other stuff, like with a nice pair of jeans or a t-shirt tucked in and nice shoes. This watch will look also very nice and casual, and also will look very lovely if you want to like dress it up like with formal wear, as I did in my reels video, like with a nice leather jacket or even like a blazer, a nice crisp white shirt and loafers. This watch is so versatile. You can wear it with so many different type of outfits, so it's really lovely. The versatility of this watch basically endless, so you can basically dress it up, dress it down. And in terms of the comfort of the watch, it's so lovely. Because of the rubber, it's tight, like figures your wrist so lovely. It stays put and doesn't move around, so it's very nice as well. And in terms of the weight, It's not that heavy. Like you can see, it's a little bit weighty, but also not too weighty. It's just got the perfect balance in between. I love it. It's not too heavy that oh my god, I can't wear this watch because it's heavy, and also it's not too light. It's just the perfect balance in between. So overall, I'm really loving this watch. Even the numbers, you guys can see, even the numbers, it looks very lovely. And in terms of the details, even the back of the kind of round diameter, you guys can see it's got this car, and it's got the Filippo Loreti, it's got the name Ascari. So in terms of the details, the watch is made so lovely and so nice. Every little part has a detail, so really chuffed with this watch. If you guys are wondering what Ascari means, Ascari Grand Prix basically chronograph collection is a homepage to the legendary racer Alberto Ascari, who was a Ferrari sole Italian champion at the GW World Championship. Enzo Ferrari described Alberto Ascari as being virtually impossible to overtake when leading. So basically it's inspired by the racer who was driving the Ferraris back in the days in the Champions in 1952 in the World Championship. So that's why this watch is inspired to create a more like a fashionable racing watch. And because of the success of the racer, they have collaborated to create the Ascari collection, inspired by the Ferrari cars as well. So also the details we all love, the hybrid movement. So it combines the accuracy of the quartz with the distinct look of chronograph. So very lovely made detail. Perfect clarity, luminous hands with the wide dials ensure you can see every agreement like digit. So every digit has kind of wide embossed. You guys can see it in daytime and also at nighttime, so it's very easy to see as well. An iconic artwork. A reminder of Alberto Ascari racing legacy can be found engraved on every timepiece. So the car behind is the Alberto Ascari's racing car behind the stainless steel in here at the back. So it's this little bit of touch of detail you guys can see from the back of the watch, of the diameter. So very nice. Like, remember, and the dual time zones. Set your watch to Milan time and enjoy the Negroni 6 hours early. So basically you have another small little watch inside, and here so you can set it to a different type of time zone you want. Whichever world you want, you can different you can set it up in a different type of time zone. So it's very lovely as well. So you have basically 2 time zones and 1 watch. Another thing I like about Filippo Loreti in general is that Filippo Loreti want to make a watch, or luxury watches in general, which should be accessible to anyone. While major brands in watch industry mark up their products by up to 8 to 16% of the actual cost, by doing it differently. Basically, Filippo Loreti is different by bypassing traditional channels, building direct relationships with manufacturers, and redesigning their products in-house, and they're able to provide high quality, beautiful luxury goods to down-to-earth prices. So yes, luxury watches, they cost more than 1,000 up to 50,000, and of course more than that if you talk about gold and diamonds. But Filippo Loreti watches, they're all around the £200 marks. So this watch retails for £226, which I think is such an amazing price point. This would make amazing gifts, or amazing kind of price point gifts for anyone who's into the watches, or for anyone who wants to try out wearing watches, or for anyone who's like a watch collector for different brands. And I feel like this brand is honestly one of those beautiful Italian watch brands that you can start for anyone, and they have a bunch of different type of designs available on their website. What I'm gonna do, of course, I'm gonna leave the link of the watch down below in the description for you guys to go and check it out, and also I'm gonna leave the website down below for you guys to go and check it out. They do men's, women's watches, and also they do accessories, such as if you want to change the rubber color, if you want to change the the strap, you can change it. So they do a bunch of different type of things in their website, so definitely go and check it out for yourself. And I also should have a discount code for you guys available And I'm sure the discount code should be like eligible, and it should work for anyone who wants to order across the world. I'm gonna leave the discount code here on the screen, and also I'm gonna leave the discount code on the description box for you guys as well. Definitely use the advantage and definitely use the discount code for a little bit money off. You will be really happy with that as well. Yeah, you guys, so this was it for this review regarding this watch. I hope you guys all like the watch as well. I am a huge fan of the brand, and honestly I've been recommended this brand and recommend the watch to anyone within my community, and whenever I wear this watch I get so many compliments like, oh my god, this watch looks amazing. And it's just a starting point. It's like this watch is basically a starting point of the conversation, because everybody was like, ooh, what watch is that? Love this watch, can I see the watch? People love it. So definitely it's a hit for me. So yeah, you guys, this was it for this unboxing slash review of the Filippo Loreti Ascari watch. Hope you guys all enjoyed it and liked it. Definitely click the subscribe button, don't miss out on videos like these, and also follow me on my Instagram at Ramabashi, where I always post like my reels and outfit pictures, and obviously my reels is up there as well. Definitely go and check out the reels that I film. I have nothing else to say except thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.